Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an email newsletter in Canva. The first thing you want to do if you don't have an account on Canva, you can quickly sign up. All you'll need is your email address and you can get started for completely free. If you're ready, you can quickly sign in. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the search bar right here, and for that you type in email marketing. You can also type in newsletter. And the reason why I recommend that you do this is by doing this you'll be provided by numerous newsletter templates that you can choose from. And with Canva, this is one of the reasons why they are so highly rated. They'll provide you with different templates that makes even a complete beginner when they produce content using Canva look like a professional. And you'll be able to get your writing style or the concept that you're looking for your subscribers using Canva templates. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever newsletter you like to use, as you can see right here. There are numerous options you can choose from. So let's say for example I were to use this newsletter right here. All I would need to do is simply tap on it. After you have done that, you could scroll down and you could select similar newsletters as you can see right there. But I will stick with this one. I'm going to tap on customize this template. After you have tapped on customize this template, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will now be able to add your own personal touches to your newsletter. And by the way, you can zoom in on the page if you want by going down to the bottom right hand corner, right where you see 30%. You could simply pull along the slider to the right so you could zoom in so you can get a better view. Once you are zoomed in, you can now start adding your changes. So for example, if you would like to change the image, you can simply tap on the image box. Then you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and from there you could upload an image that you would like to use. But let's say I'm creating a newsletter for a fruit, let's say I'm creating a healthy eating newsletter, better yet, and I would like to add images of fruits. All I'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on elements. Then from there I could type in fruits and vegetables. After doing that, I can select photos, and these are copyright free images that I can use. So all I will need to do is scroll down, and from here I could simply drag and place the images that I would like to use. So let's do that real quick. So I'm going to be adding that image, and let's see, I can also add this image. So I'll drag and place it right there. After I've done that, I can simply change the text. So I can do that real quick. All you'll need to do, you could tap right here. And also Canva provides you with a magic write feature which you can use, and this is basically an AI that you can use to write out a text if you don't know what you want to write or if you would like some ideas. You can select the text section. You can change the font of the text if you want. Let me place this back right here. All you'll need to do is go over to the top right beside the font size, and from there you could change the font of the text if you want. So let's say for example I would like to change the font to this style. I could simply tap on it. You can see the different font styles that you can choose right there. You can also increase the font size by tapping right where you see 14 on my screen. So if you would like to increase the font size, you can do that, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can also do, you could change the background color by tapping on the section that you would like to change the background color for. Then you could tap on the color box. After tapping on the color box, you can select the color that you would like to use if you would like to change it, as you can see right there. And you can do this for each section. After you're finished, all you'll need to do now, if you would like to add another page, you could tap on add page at the bottom right here to add another page if you want. Once it is finished and to your liking, you are going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and you will tap on download. Once you have selected download, you're going to tap on download once more, and you want to download it in PNG, as you can see right there. Once it has been downloaded, the other platform that I would recommend you use if you are doing email marketing is MailChimp. And the reason why I recommend MailChimp is it is beginner friendly and they also offer a free plan. So let's say, for example, you would like to upload your newsletter on MailChimp. All you'll need to do once you're signed up, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on create. After selecting create, from here you have two options. You can either select email automation, meaning that you'll be able to collect person's email and then you'll be able to send out your newsletter weekly or monthly. So you could create a journey right there by tapping on create journey. Or if you would like to design a basic email, you could tap on design email. For this example, I'll select design email, but you could also check out automation, as that probably will be the option to suit you. It all depends on your journey and where you are and what you would like to achieve. From here, you can tap on select the classic builder. After you have tapped on select the classic builder, from here I want you to select the basic template. User, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. Once on this page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select basic. After selecting basic, you'll be redirected to this page, and I want you to delete the sections right here, as we are going to be uploading the design that we had created in Canva. So you can simply tap on the trash can, then tap on delete. After you have done that, you're going to go over to the right hand menu option, select image, and you're going to drag and place the image right there. After you have dragged and placed the image, you're going to tap on upload an image. Then after tapping on upload an image, you'll be redirected to a new page and you're going to tap on upload once more in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on upload, you're going to simply select the design that you had created or the newsletter that you had created from your device. So you can see it right here. I'm going to tap on open and you can see that it is being uploaded. Once it has been uploaded, as you can see right here, so this is our newsletter. We can add anything else you would like to add right here. You could add it right there if you want. So you could tap on style and you can also change the background color and so on if you want. And if you would like to delete any section, you can do that by simply tapping on the trash can. So let's say, for example, I like to delete this. I could simply tap on the trash can, then tap on delete, and from there I could remove it. And you can also scroll up, and from here you could add your company logo if you want, or if you would like to delete it, you could simply tap on delete. Once everything is finished, you could tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and from there you could select enter preview mode, or if you would like to send a test email, you could do that. So I'm going to select enter preview mode so I can preview how it looks. You can see how it looks right here, and you can see how it looks on mobile. So this is how it would look on mobile at the moment. If everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on the X right there, then you'll tap on continue in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on continue, from there you'll see set the classic builder as your default email editor. You can do that if you want. I'll tap on maybe later. Then you can see that it has now been saved. So just give it a few seconds to load up. Able to add your recipients, as you can see right here. So you can do that by tapping there, and you can also add a subject if you want. After you're finished, all you'll need to do now in the top right hand corner, and your newsletter will now be sent out to your subscriber base. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure